here's quite interesting new apps called Capture by Ammo. It slowly starts to grow in the social networking charts, and it was built by Ammo. I think it's like a French company. I think these are also the guys behind Stanley, one of the most successful French startups, which was bought by Snapchat and then shut down, unfortunately. But yeah, they just also built this ID by Ammo app. And now there is also Capture, which is like a photo camera app. And then, for example, this is just like an addition to ID by Ammo, because I already have my account with ID by Ammo. And for example, if I just take photo, that's just what it is. I just take photo, and then this app has very cool like tactic vibrations. So for example, I can just tap on this button and zoom in, and then I can just take and with back camera. So I just took the photos. These are kind of like live photos, which, like as you can see there, are being added to my ID by Ammo profile. Or I can just share, or I can create a video. Of course, this is just like a test. I'm making a photo of my floor, but then you can see peace and love here. But yeah, then you can just swipe up, and then this app has again this really cool design with captures, where you can just capture the photos and see them like that, and then you can just add them to your profile here in the ID by Ammo app. I don't know exactly how to add them, but yeah, anyhow, that's just what it is. Pretty cool app. I don't know if it's on Android, but you can give it a try.